Hi, I need some help.
Sure, what are you looking for?
I need a dress for a dinner tonight.
What kind of dress?
Something blue and not too long.
How about this one?
It's beautiful, but I don't like the sleeves.
Then maybe this one, no sleeves.
Oh, I love it. Can I try it on?
Of course, fitting room is right there.
What do you think?
It looks perfect on you. Great, I'll take it. Will you pay by cash or card? Card, please. Your total is $45.
Here you go.
Here is your dress and receipt.
Excuse me, do you need help?
Oh, hello. I'm trying to cross the street.
Traffic is very fast today.
Yes, I've been waiting for a long time.
I can cross with you if you like.
Would you? That's very kind of you.
Of course, let's wait for the green signal.
It's red now.
Thank you, I get nervous alone.
Don't worry, we are almost there.
Wonderful, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh dear, these bags are so heavy.
Excuse me, would you like help?
Yes, please. That's very kind.
No problem. Where are they going?
To room 308, the design office.
Perfect. I'm heading that way.
Thank you. My back is hurting.
I'm Leo. I work in IT.
Nice to meet you. I'm Nora.
Are you new here?
Yes, I joined this week.
Welcome to the company.
Everyone is so helpful.
Here we are. Room 3008.
Thank you so much.
Do you need help with the other bags?
No, this was the last one.
All right. See you later.
See you, and thanks again.
Hey, Lily, are you okay?
Not really. I feel sick.
You look very pale.
I have a headache and my stomach hurts.
Did you eat anything this morning?
No, nothing.
That's not good.
I know. I feel so weak.
How can I help?
Can you get me some water and crackers?
Of course.
And maybe some medicine?
Sure, I'll go now.
Here's some money.
No, it's okay. I'll pay.
Are you sure?
Yes, just rest.
Thank you, Ben.
Is this the bus to Central Station?
Yes, this is the number 10 bus.
Oh, great. Thank you.
You are welcome. It comes in 5 minutes.
I'm new here, so I'm nervous.
Really? I was nervous too.
Are you a student?
Yes, second year. You first-year student?
Nice. The bus system looks hard, but it's easy.
I hope I don't get lost.
Don't worry, you'll learn quickly.
Thank you.
Look, the bus is here. Sit with me.
Really? That's so kind.
No problem. We're students. Excuse me, is this the repair shop?
Yes, come in. What seems to be the problem?
My phone stopped working this morning.
Let me see. Does it turn on at all?
No, the screen stays black.
Did it fall or get wet?
Yes, I dropped it in the kitchen.
Ah, that might be the reason.
Can you fix it?
I think so, but I need to open it first.
How long will it take?
Around 1 hour.
That's fast. Thank you.
No problem. You can wait here.
Is it expensive to fix?
Not too much. Maybe $20 to $30.
That's okay. I need my phone.
I understand. I'll start right away.
Thanks. You are very helpful.
You're welcome.
Hello. Can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I want to buy a watch for my brother.
Nice. What kind of watch?
Something simple. Maybe black.
Do you know his wrist size?
I think medium.
Let me show you 2 options.
Oh, this one looks great.
It's very popular this month.
I think he will love it.
And if it doesn't fit, you can exchange it.
Good to know.
Just keep the receipt.
It's $35.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll pack it for you.
Thanks for your help.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
Hello, you look new here.
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome. I'm Mr. Aslam from HR. What's your name?
I'm Nita. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Nita. Let me show you to your desk.
They walked together to the office.
Here is your desk. If you need anything, just ask.
Thank you so much. I was a little nervous.
Don't worry, everyone here is friendly.
That's good to know.
Have a great first day.
Thank you. I will try. Hi, Hassan. Why are you still here?
Hi, Sana. I forgot my umbrella at home.
Oh no, the rain is really heavy today.
Yes, and I have to walk to the bus stop.
I have an extra umbrella in my bag. Would you like to use it?
Really? That would be great.
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you so much, Sana.
No problem. Just return it tomorrow.
I will. You saved me from getting wet.
Take care, Hassan.
You too, Sana. Bye.